Good afternoon, everyone. I just realized a couple minutes ago I need to take my car into a car shop because it's squeaking or I don't know if it's the brakes. I don't know what it is. But no, I'm pushing the brakes right now. I don't hear anything. But when I accelerate... Anyways, so here's the situation. A minute ago, I don't know, I need to stop doing that. That is such a thing. And I blame the Kardashians for everyone speaking like that. I mean, I love them and I love their hustle. I mean, you know what I mean? Just, they're doing their thing and they built their empire. You guys know what I'm saying. But that question mark after every... snow falling all over the place? Freaked me out for a second there. And we're supposed to get more snow this weekend. Yay! But anyways, I was accelerating out of Chipotle, the Chipotle parking lot. And I was hearing... And it wasn't like, annoyingly, obnoxiously loud. It wasn't that bad, but I was just like... You guys know what I mean. Like, your car. You accelerate. What your car should sound like. You guys know what I mean. And I'm like... So I'm sitting here like, all right. And I heard it did for a couple, maybe 10 seconds. And I was like, I don't hear it now at all. Maybe it had to warm up. I'm hoping that's what it was. But you know what? I think I still might take it into the shop, to Hyundai. Although maybe I shouldn't take it to Hyundai. Maybe I should take it to I don't know. I don't even know, because I don't really have a car shop I take it to other than Hyundai. I mean, Jiffy Lube, but they do oil changes. It's not the brakes. I don't know. Anyways, I'm not talking it up. I probably just needed to get started. It needed to get warmed up for a minute because why is this car? Was there a come together? No, there wasn't a come together. There's people stopped up here. Well, this is odd. Oh, okay. I see what's going on. They're doing some kind of work up here. It's the time to do it. It's 2:22 on a Wednesday. Not that many people doing work, you know what I'm saying? That person's nice. God bless them. Hope their day goes wonderfully. Anyways, this was a weird vlog. It was me talking about my car. Didn't mean to do that, but hey, at least I'm talking about something, right? But yeah, I just stopped by Chipotle and got off early today from work. I took off Friday and Tuesday for my birthday weekend. My birthday's on the 21st. Hey, me and the twin. Weather permitting, we're going to Cooper's Hawk for birthday on Sunday. What the frick is that? Oh, it's just a can. And nice slush and sleet in the neighborhood. Woohoo. But we're supposed to get, I don't know what the heck we're getting this weekend. It could be snow, it could be rain, it could be sleet, it could be a lovely mixture of both. I'm just praying that it's nothing. I mean, not nothing. I'm hoping for maybe like an inch of snow, maybe less, so that we can have a nice little get together for our birthday. It comes once a year. We didn't ask to get born in freaking the winter time. I asked for the winter time to behave one time. Just one time during the winter. Just one day. And that's when we have our get together. It's been doing good. You guys, I'm not lying. It has done well. Move, birds. Shouldn't you? Why are you even here? Like a whole horde of them. You guys can't see them. Like the whole, not a horde. What do you call it? What do you call a whole bunch of birds? Whatever. You guys know what I'm trying to say. But we asked winter to act right just one time a year, so we can have a nice get together for our birthday. And you got no lie, it has generally acted right. This year's trying to act up, and I'll be having none of it. I'm driving real slow because these roads in our neighborhood suck. But anyways, I'm about to pull up into this driveway. But I hope you guys are having a great day. I should post this other vlog that I have a little bit earlier, a couple days ago. Hope you guys are having a blessed day. I'll go home and chill, eat this Chipotle, and I'll talk to you later.